What is the benefit of the battery and inverter system?
Well, what we offer is what we call a hybrid inverter. So it's a solar inverter and a battery inverter in one box. So that means you can have your solar system getting energy from the sun, but it can also then directly take that energy, and whatever you're not using in your house can go into the batteries. You've got that power when you really need it at night time, when you're cooking and everyone's home watching TV or charging your electric vehicle, for example.
I know the cost to fill my car at the moment is about $70 a tank. What would it be for an EV to fill?
If you've got an EV that, say, has a normal size battery, it's not very expensive compared to filling a car with petrol or diesel.